Hi, I'm John Hale, and today we're going to be talking about pin gauges. Our pin gauges are commonly used for measuring gaps during the inspection process in auto assembly plants, but you can really use them to measure any gaps anywhere. Most all pin gauges are made of metal and can easily cause damage. But that's why our Nomar pin gauges are made of a high quality scratch resistant plastic to make sure none of that damage happens. Now that's Nomar. Our plastic design, like all of our other Nomar products, completely eliminate the possibility of damage to all types of surfaces. Our pin gauges can either come in a single-ended or a double-ended variant, and they range from 1 millimeter in size all the way up to 12 millimeters, and that is one heck of a gap. And you can also get these either as a single individual pin gauge or as a whole entire set. And if you let us know, we can furnish a quote for you in any combination of pin size at your request. To learn more about our Nomar gauges or our mutilation prevention tools, visit our website at assemblytoolspecialist.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel to see more videos like this. And as always, see you in the next one.